Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious egg salad that you can use to fill sandwiches, you can use it as part of a salad, or just eat it on its own. In fact, it's something that I had ready in my fridge quite often when I was trying to increase my protein intake and reduce my weight. So let's get cooking. So for this recipe, I'm using 4 eggs, and these have just come out of the refrigerator, and I'm gonna boil them for 10 minutes once it comes to the boil. And I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of baking soda or soda bicarbonate because this is gonna help the peel come off very easily. So the water has just come to a boil, and from now I'm gonna time it and boil it for 10 minutes. We're gonna drain this, and then we're gonna add some cold water to it. Now I'm gonna let them soak in cold water for a minute or two just so that they cool down a little bit. So now the eggs are cool to the touch, I'm gonna crack them. And actually they peel so easily. If you do have trouble still though, you can just stick them back in the water. Now sometimes eggs can be hard to peel, and that's usually because they get pretty old. So you can crack them and then just leave them in the water to soak for a couple of minutes. And what that does is it helps the water go in between the shell and the skin and the actual egg, and that helps to peel it quicker, or just peel them in the water. Then go ahead and grate the eggs. Then let the grated eggs cool completely before adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm very lucky to have some fresh chives at hand, and so I'm going to add some of this to my egg salad. Once the egg has cooled completely, put it into a bowl, and then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of English mustard, salt and freshly ground pepper to taste, and freshly chopped chives. Then mix it in well. Then go ahead and put it into a covered container and refrigerate it for an hour so that the flavors can meld together really nicely. And if you guys like the look of this egg salad and the sound of it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So good. And I'll see you again soon for some more cooking inspiration.